Okay, welcome to another episode of Crafting with Bree. I want to thank you guys for coming back and looking at my episode today. I am sorry that last week I wasn't able to do another episode of Crafting with Bree because my computer crashed and I wasn't able to videotape anything. So it took a week for them to fix it and I got it back, and I'm so happy it wasn't enough time for me to do this episode. So what we're going to do, the video I was going to do last week, you're going to look at this week, and we are going to make a makeup storage container. Not too long ago I was in Dollar Tree and I picked up a couple of things here. We have a globe here, a nice little like small fishbowl like globe. And then we have a candlestick holder, some rhinestone stickers that they have at Dollar Tree and also at Michael's. And we have some E6000 glue, some regular hot glue, and some scissors. And what I was doing in Dollar Tree was picking up a few things. And I came across these items, this candlestick and this globe. And I thought, wow, this would be nice. Just, you know, put it on top like this, make a little something. But then again, I tilted to the side and I thought, oh, that is interesting. I can make a little storage thing for the vanity or something like that. So we're going to take these two, make sure they're nice and clean, cut off the tags and clean the globe, make sure there's no fingerprints on it. So what we're going to do first is we're going to glue these two items together. We're going to take these E6000 glue and we're going to put a bead along the rim of this candlestick holder here. Just a small little line here that goes around the rim. Nice little bead. Okay, and then what we're going to do, we're going to take some hot glue and we're going to put right on top. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I wanted to adhere onto the glass quickly, adhere nicely without moving. So the hot glue would keep from it moving while the E6000 glue does its work. So I can see how I can just go ahead and work with it while the E6000 glue is drying. So we're going to let that sit for a bit and we're going to start decorating the candlestick holder. So now we're going to decorate our candlestick holder with some diamond wrap. I have some leftover diamond wrap from a Christmas project that I did. And what we did was we measured our diamond wrap around the candlestick holder down at the bottom there, right around the neck, as you can see here. And then we cut to size. And what I discovered was 5 rows of diamond wrap will do nicely around the neck here. So we are going to use our glue gun and we're going to start on one side of the diamond wrap and glue it down evenly right in the center of that candlestick holder. And we're going to try to get it as even as possible so it looked like a continuous row. That's perfect. So now we have a nice row going around there like that. And we're going to do the same thing along here. Now I discovered that 4 rows of diamond wrap would go nicely around this way. So we would wrap it around the neck here. Glue it on one side. And then glue the other side. And be careful not to burn your fingers. They have these little rubber thumb protectors to keep from your fingers getting burned. I found them in Michael's, but I never used them. But I think I'm going to start using them because I have did some burning injuries on my fingers there. Now you want the seam to be in the back so everything will look nice and neat. And then there we have it there. That's the neck of the candle holder. Now we're going to start on the globe itself. Okay, so now we're going to start on the globe. Now I have this leftover diamond wrap that I got for Dollar Tree. I don't know how much of it I would need to cover this whole globe, but basically it would cover the whole globe like this and it would look very bling. As you can see here, for all of you bling fans out there, you will love it. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut a strip of this. And hopefully, yeah. So we're going to peel this all the way off. And we're going to take our time because you got to be as close as possible. We're going to start here at this rim, right above this rim here. And it's going to take a little time. We're going to do the middle, start at the middle here in the back of the glass bowl. And we're going to go all the way around as close to that little lip there. Continue all the way around. Now, we may have a little piece right there that we need to fill in. But basically, you get the idea. You got to make sure that it's at that rim. So it should make a perfect circle. If not, then you just lift it off and try it again. And there you have it. And we're just going to continue a small piece right there. So we're going to do that small piece, and then I'm going to speed it up a little bit because I don't want to take all this time doing this. And we're going to speed it up, and then we're going to finish it. And there's our first row. And then we just continue all the way around. Now, what's going to make the difference is the first row is pretty easy because it's not any stopping there. The candlestick extend away. So what's going to happen when you do the second row, the candlestick is in the way. So you're going to have to measure as close as possible, close to the candlestick and the globe itself, and then go all around to the other side where it stops there. And try to get it as close as possible to the candlestick so it look like it's continuous all the way around. So we're going to do that. I'm going to speed it up a little bit, and then we're going to finish it off. So here we are halfway, well not halfway, maybe a little under halfway of the globe here. And it's turning out very nicely. This is going to be very blinged, blinged out completely. So you guys who into the bling is going to love it. I know my sister's going to love it. She likes bling. So yes, that's what we have so far. So now here's a tip. You want to follow the line of the previous sticker going along here to make sure that you're straight as you go up toward the rim, because if not, you're going to have a little slant and it's not going to be a row evenly all the way up. So you have to monitor how you're putting your stickers on as you go up each level. So let's continue. If you love DIYs, decorating, organizing, and so much more, click the subscribe button and click the bell for new videos notification every week. Don't forget to visit my other social media platforms for ideas and tips to decorate, organize, or better your home living. Until the next time, my friends, smooches!